What up, fam? It's Josh. I'm bored. I'm out of work. It's like 12. I don't know what time it is actually, but there's a gym near my house that only has a level like 400 Tauros in it, and it's Team Yellow. So, we're gonna get in the car and we're gonna roast it, and I'll show you guys when we get there. I'm in the car now. I'm going to the Pokestop, and then I'm going to go to the other Pokestop, and then we're going to go to that gym. Okay, can't see anything, but you can probably hear my car. I made it to the Indian Trail gym. About to fucking battle this shit real quick before any popos show up, because it's like 12 and it's late, you're not supposed to be here and shit. But yeah, let's battle this real quick, go! Alright, let's battle you. Toasted motherfucker. And that, my friends, is how you take a gym. Alright, but I'm gonna leave because I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to be here. That's how you battle a gym. Now, I'ma fucking turn my shit on, and we are gonna back the fuck out of this parking spot and get the fuck out of here. So I'll see you guys when I'm home. Bye! What's up? I'm back at home. I'm Josh. I'm doing the camera things and stuff. But, yeah, I'm at home. It's now 12:30. That took us way too damn long. What the fuck? Oh, can't swear. Whatever. I'm just gonna boot up the old computer, see what's up. You know, do my stuff things. But, I hope you enjoyed that little Pokemon adventure. I don't know how long the video will be, but we'll see how it is. If you would like these, I might consider doing more. I don't know. I might have to get another camera, because recording this all on your phone isn't really the greatest idea, but we'll see. I don't know, they were just kind of fun. It was fun. I just had fun. Which, when you grow up, is something you don't do enough. So, yeah, but I'm Josh. My trainer details will be in the belows. I don't fucking know where I'm posting these. Christ, I'm such a loser. But, if you like my hair, leave a like. If you like my beard, leave a like. If you see me in the street, please don't talk to me. I have social anxiety. And I will see you sometime. Bye!